Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into learning how to collaborate on Todoist tasks in teams, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, you need to create a project. Now, why is this important? A project is like a folder where all related tasks live. It helps you keep everything organized. Simply click the plus icon next to projects on the left, type in your project name, and press enter. Now that we've done that, let's add team members to the project. Click the icon that looks like a person on the project you've just created. This is where you can add the email addresses of your team members. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone involved can view and contribute to the project. Next up, it's time to assign tasks. You can create a task by clicking on Add Task and then enter task details. To assign this task, click on the icon that looks like a person again, and you'll see a drop-down list of your team members. Choose the person you want to assign the task to. This helps us because it ensures every task has a specific owner who's responsible for its completion. Here's where things get interesting. You can add comments to tasks for further collaboration. See that speech bubble icon? Click on it, and you can add comments, ask questions, or even attach files. This is invaluable, especially when you need to clarify task details or provide additional resources. Let me explain why this matters. It's all about communication. Adding comments ensures everyone is on the same page, reducing the chance of misunderstandings and ensuring clarity on task requirements. Now, if you want to keep track of task progress, you'll need to use labels and filters. Labels help categorize tasks based on their status, priority, or any other criteria you choose. Filters, on the other hand, allow you to view specific subsets of your tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Labels and filters work together to provide a customized view of your tasks, making it easier to manage your workflow effectively. To wrap things up, collaborating on Todoist tasks in teams is all about creating an organized project, adding team members, assigning tasks, communicating through comments, and managing task progress using labels and filters. Each step is crucial to ensure a seamless workflow and effective team collaboration. And that's it. You now know how to collaborate on Todoist tasks in teams. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.